Duluth Center for Women and Children, Nourish. I am making a burrito bowl today on our cooking show. And in our kit today we have black beans, onions, tomatoes, and corn, lettuce, our chicken. It's a chicken burrito bowl, cheese, and sour cream. And then stuff you'll need is like maybe some oil to saute the vegetables in, and then we also have white rice. And so now I'm gonna turn on the heat for the rice. I already put the rice with water in the pan, so I'm just turning the heat on like medium high. Now I'm just gonna saute our vegetables, and same thing, probably like a medium heat. Putting our oil in. I think we are ready to add our chicken in because the onions are translucent. Everything's pretty fragrant. Give that a nice little stir. And the chicken's pre-cooked, so you don't want to cook it too long. Just enough to really heat it through. And now we're just gonna check on our rice and see if it's done. It's not quite, it's getting there, but yeah, you'll know when it's done when it's really fluffed up and kind of sticking together almost. So I'm gonna turn the heat off now on my chicken and veggies. I am actually going to add my cheese in now. You could totally add it at the end when you put your burrito bowl together, or now I just kind of want my cheese melted. I think our rice is just about done. I'm going to strain my rice. So there's a lot of extra water. Back. Now it is time to assemble our burrito bowl. I'm just going to add in the rice first. And then I'm going to add the lettuce, veggies, and chicken. Right on top. Our sour cream, just like right on top. That's really good. Well, thank you guys for cooking with me today. Bye.